Now, I am continuing to answer this question about black holes as dark matter. So, although you don't see so much theorizing about black holes being made of dark matter, you actually do see the inverse. So the idea that dark matter is black holes, specifically a kind of black hole called a primordial black hole. So I'm going to debut a new series right now called What Could It Be, where we go through potential candidates for dark matter, as well as in the future, like searches for those candidates. So we're going to start with primordial black holes. So this is a particular kind of black hole that would have come to exist really, really, really early in the universe. So unlike the ones we were looking at in the last video, which are made of normal matter, the kind of stuff you and I are made up of, dead stars, things like this, these are not considered to be normal or baryonic, there's your $1 million word for the day, matter, because they form so early, they're a completely exotic, different type of thing, okay? And so we're also talking about a different mass scale. So the Milky Way center black hole, Sagittarius A star, that I showed you all last time, that one's mass is about 4 million times the mass of the sun. The types of black holes, primordial black holes, that would be our dark matter candidate, the bottom limit, lower limit for those would be more like 1 million times the mass of like the Eiffel Tower, okay? Very different mass scale, much, much smaller. So the reason why they're attractive as a dark matter candidate is because they are, since they're not normal matter, they're not subject to that limitation where we know normal matter only comprises 5% of what's out there. I talked a bit about that in the large scale structure video. Since they're not normal matter, they're not subject to that constraint. So they could actually make up some percentage of the dark matter that's out there, but we don't necessarily think all of it, but some of it. So they're an active, ongoing area of research. I actually have a friend who works on this. So I was pretty excited to see this comment because it was something relevant to my own life and my own friends' interests. So that's a little bit about primordial black holes. By the way, if you want to know more, I read Primordial Black Holes as Dark Matter by Bernard Carr and collaborators. It's quite dense, I will warn you. I tried to summarize for you a bit, but you're welcome to take a look. But once again, I'm Keyshawn, and thanks for making some space in your day.